So today I just wanted to show some of the long scarves and different ways of showing them, different ways of wearing them and styling them. All of my scarves are from my own designs, as you know, and from my own drawings. This is one that's called People Watching, which is just, it was a cute drawing that I had as I sat down and looked at people walking along a street. So as you can see there, that is the design of that. It also comes in a grey, and they're having little conversations there and things like that, and it's on the edge are all these little handbags. So those were the days when the streets were full, and so I turned it into a pattern, and I have it in ties, I have it in different colour ranges and things like that. So take a look. It'll be called People Watch. I also have the print itself available, but with the long scarves you can roll it into a tube or just fold it all over onto itself, which makes it easier to wear if you want it nice and neat. So you turn it around, and that's one of the basic ways would be just the loop. Now if you don't want the angle across, you can catch one of your corners of your long scarf, and you can put it like that and have it more voluminous. So, and then you also don't have the straight across, and you also end up getting a longer scarf. So you can do that with it, and then you can tie it into all the different ways that you want. But if you want it more neater and all of that, loop, and you can then tie it once again. So that's that way, and then pull that big piece to get it once around your neck, and then you bring one side in through and tie it gently to the other side. Now a nice trick of doing this is catch the corners of the opposite ends and tie those into the loop, and it just turns out really nice. So you get those different corners and you tie them together, and a double knot will usually keep it in place, but you can use a ring and go at a straight angle. So you wrap it around a couple of times, at least twice, until you have it nice and neat around your neck. Put this side in through the bottom loop and just tie it over on the opposite side, and you can end up with something really nice. But it gets the same effect. You can do a lot of these things with both a square scarf and a long scarf, so you end up with something neat like that. You can always put these pieces in under your shirt or your jacket. It'll keep you nice and warm, and also in the summer it'll also keep you nice and cool. Apparently we are going to need that in Ireland this year.